These are affirmations for a restful, calm mind. Now we'll begin by taking a few deep breaths inward. Breathe in 6, 7, 8, 9. Release 6, 7, 8, 9. Breathe in 6, 7, 8, 9. Release 6, 7, 8, 9. Once more, breathe in 6, 7, 8, 9. Release 6, 7, 8, 9. Now close your eyes and repeat these words. I am present. I am present. I am present. I am connected. I am connected. I am connected. I embrace myself. I embrace myself. I embrace myself. I am content. I am content. I am content. I prioritize myself. I prioritize myself. I prioritize myself. I am a priority. I am a priority. I am a priority. I breathe in calm. I breathe in calm. I breathe in calm. I release doubt. I release doubt. I release doubt. I am worthy. I am worthy. I am worthy. This is temporary. This is temporary. This is temporary. I enjoy life. I enjoy life. I enjoy life. I exist. I exist. I exist. I am renewed. I am renewed. I am renewed. Now let's take in a few deeply nourishing, healing breaths inward. Breathe in, hold, 6, 7, 8, 9. Release, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take it in, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let it go, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now slowly, gently open your eyes and know you are valuable. You are wanted. You are magnificent. And you are ready to conquer the day.